All right, so down to the local pond. Well, so bird of the day is Pectoral Sandpiper. Pectoral Sandpiper. They are very, very tough to find here. They will be passing through to head south. Whew, traffic's nice and busy right now. School's getting out. It's pretty nice today, 20 Celsius that is. Pectoral Sandpiper. I have not seen one down here yet, but there has been some sightings of one or two of them, or it could be the same one, but one or two sightings in the last week. So I've been looking for it for the last couple weeks and seen nothing, but since some other people have seen it, that means it could be down here. So hopefully I can get that. And that would be a bonus. And then being that it's my bird day for Merlin, I am a little more amped to go find it. In a video coming out soon, I got a lifer. By the time that you see that one, you'll know what it is, and that was my Nelson Sparrow. And that was a lifer for me. So that was wild. And probably one or two videos before that, I got a winter wren on October Big Day. That was actually a really great adventure that day, and I was really happy to get that, as I've been in lots of locations and Merlin's picked up a winter wren, but I'd never seen one or got one, so that was a great lifer. Lots of fall colors down here. Trees are starting to turn really quick, so we're getting our oranges, our reds, our greens are falling away. Purples and blacks, because the maple leaves had some sort of fungi or whatever it's called. I'm not exactly sure, but they rot, so they kind of have spots of black on them. I guess if anybody really knows that terminology, you can put it in the comments below. But yes, fall photos can be beautiful. I did actually get some really nice ones of some Canada geese coming over this pond in my October Big Day. It was beautiful. They were just flying over the trees, and all the trees were in fall colors. So, all right, let's get some of this together. I'll leave that on recording. All right, that is recording. I think if you can hear me, I'm gonna do mostly handheld, so no tripod. Hi, welcome back. So, how well that's gonna view, but 1DX Mark II, 2X extender, 70/200, 2.8. That's good. iPhone 12. So I lost my S24. So let's get that mounted. Okay, so this guy's got to go in this way. Nope, it's the wrong way. That way. And battery for the mic is on 40 hertz and it's still green, so we're good there. All right, we'll see you on the trail.